Now watch me.
Whip.
All right, now look at this. This is amazing.
I'm being weird.
This is
Look
like
at me. Whee!
okay. This is gonna be an amazing sky.
This is a heat flash, I think.
See? That's
No,
amazing.
It's awesome.
It's awesome. I love it. There's like some kind of bug.
Now watch me. I'm gonna pay. What?
Through this is street.
Oh, throw.
You want to put them on top of the car too?
It's so amazing. It's like pretty as.
Forget them
Wait,
now.
there's like this bug. Do you people see that? Wait, no, it's just a shine. Never mind.
What, drag
Buzz,
it?
buzz.
Oh, there it is. Did you get that one?
Yeah. Barefoot. Ignore the little flash right here. The little kind of buggy thing
Haley, my turn.
right there.
I'm gonna film something.
Right there. See it?
Guys, I'm gonna show you a more awesomer version. Come at me.
Yo.
You should have caught that.
Are you holding it like this? Come on, guys. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry.
Yo, we're gonna break your Uncle Car.
Yeah. Want to talk about your claw? That's my house.
Where what? Not the whole. No, the whole thing's not her house.
It's our house.
Because they're awesome.
Yo, you should. Yo, film it. I think you stopped recording.
No.
Yo, it's awesome. So, guys, hey, look at me.
No, I'm looking at the sky.
Guys, nerds, as you can see, these are awesome. Look at me chug these down.
Take me down into the paradise. Stop!
Fuck you.
Fuck you too. So suck my dick. If I even had one. Those are my nerds. Yaha!
Mine.
Alright, get mine in the car, I think. Do stuff for me. It's really happening over here.
Yours are over there.
Do stuff for me. It's like really happening over there.
It's my birthday.
Good for you. Does it look like I care? Does it look like I give a fuck?
Yeah.
I don't.
You should. It's your friend's birthday.
It's actually my sister's.
I know.
Sister slash friend.
Yeah, because we're like so much best friends. But we're sisters, so.
I'm scared. Ooh, the moon is sexy. Oh fuck, it looks like it's coming towards you. Like,
No, I'm sexy.
no, a moon is sexy.
A moon is your mom.
I know the moon is my mom.
Our mom is the moon.
Yeah.
Well, your mom and my mom is the moon.
Oh, that was amazing. Okay, bye guys. Julie, say bye. They're not involved, my shoes. Okay. I spit and burp. Burp. In the meantime. Alright, I need to like record this because this is really going on behind me and I can totally see it. And it's amazing. Alright.
Have to sit and eat nerds on a skateboard.
He said, alright, here, I'm gonna try. Ow. Here. Coordinate. You see the nerds?
No. Fine. Get yours.
I don't know where they are.
They're in your bag down there. You got boring. Ah, she's boring. It's upside down, everyone. Imagine. Cool.
I'll take off my pants.
You just took the pants off.
I have underwear. No worries,
Okay.
people.
Alright guys, well this is the end of our 6-minute vlog. So, this is the end of our 6-minute vlogs. So every day we're going to be doing a 6-minute vlog. But during the school year, I don't know how much vlogs we can get in. So yeah. Oh shit. So yeah.
Don't know how much vlogs we're gonna be gathering in.
But hopefully every single day we can do a 6-minute vlog. And today is my birthday. But when you guys see this, it will probably be like 2 months later because there's something going on with our channel right now. So fudge. Yeah. My birthday is August 25th. Even if you guys don't see this till later, you guys can still say happy birthday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy thingy. And if you guys want us to do more vlogs, because I'm going to be getting an iPod and a phone soon, so I can videotape, and she already has a phone, but yeah. So yeah, that looks like the sun.
It does.
We'll see you guys next week.
LOL.